Some rooms change your whole day. The right bathroom decor ideas lift your mood, smooth your routine, and add real calm, fast. If you're into chic, livable style, you're in the right place. I love your support. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the videos so we can keep creating together. Ready to see what's trending and timeless? Here are my favorite bathroom decor ideas to try next. Curbless wet rooms bring spa flow to small baths. Love a bathroom that feels calm and open? Let's talk curbless showers and full wet rooms. They look luxe, save visual space, and make every inch work harder. Smooth, barrier-free floors run straight into the shower so the eye keeps moving and the room feels bigger. Large format stone or porcelain tiles add a quiet, seamless field underfoot, while a simple glass screen keeps the space airy. Pair that softness with warm wood accents, a teak stool, a slim shelf, and a brushed metal trim that doesn't shout. Add a narrow bench in the shower to keep shampoos tidy and give you a place to pause. Finish with a linear drain cover that blends into the tile so the focus stays on clean lines and calm. This look delivers spa energy at home, light, open, and easy to breathe in. Water hushes into the drain, steam curls up the glass, and the whole room reads as one. That's a major win for bathroom decor ideas built on serenity. Pros and cons. Pro: bigger feel, sleek lines, effortless flow. Con: good waterproofing and slope are essential. When you choose this minimal footprint, you get smoother mornings and a space that welcomes unwinding at night. Fewer cuts and corners mean easier visual balance. The room photographs beautifully too. We get all the wellness vibes with none of the clutter. Color-drenched palettes replace stark white. We still love a crisp white tile, but rich color is having a moment. Think jewel box walls and moody ceilings that make mirrors and metal glow. Saturated hues, forest green, cocoa brown, midnight blue, wrap the room in a cozy layer, turning daily routines into little rituals. Matte paint or micro-texture plaster keeps the colors soft, not shiny. Balance the depth with creamy stone, warm wood, or bone-colored textiles so the palette breathes. A ribbon of polished metal, brass, nickel, or black adds sparkle without stealing the show. For the final touch, swap in warm-tone bulbs to make skin look bright and restful, not stark. Together, the color and glow create a space that feels both bold and soothing. You get mood, character, and a clear point of view. Everyday tasks feel special, and your mirror selfies actually love you back. That's the promise of color-drenched bathroom decor ideas. Quick tip: pull the ceiling into the palette for a cocoon effect and keep floors quieter to ground the look. Living with rich color encourages slower mornings and softer nights. It also hides minor scuffs better than bright white. Your bath becomes a personal retreat, not a blank box. We set the tone once and enjoy it daily. Limewash and plaster walls add soft movement. Want walls that feel like a whisper? Limewash and plaster add a quiet, hand-touched vibe that's easy on the eyes. The finish shows gentle shifts of tone, like clouds at dusk. Light skims across the surface and creates a natural, velvety movement that pairs beautifully with stone and wood. Choose hushed hues, mushroom, clay, foggy blue, to calm the room. Layer in linen towels, a pale travertine tray, and aged metal to keep the palette grounded. A slim, dimmable sconce that grazes the wall will make the texture sing at night. The whole effect is tactile and timeless, soft edges, low shine, and a restful pace for busy days. The payoff? A spa-quiet mood with visual depth even in tiny spaces. It's a subtle flex that reads artisan, not busy. Styling note: keep mirrors simple and flat so the wall texture stays the star. These surfaces invite slow living, steam, candlelight, deep breaths. They also bridge modern fixtures with classic bones, so your bath feels layered, not themey. Wheeling into comfort and let the finish do the talking. Aged metals and mixed finishes feel curated. Tired of matchy-matchy? Mixing metal finishes adds character fast. A hint of patina makes everything look collected, not catalog. Antiqued brass warms the room, while blackened steel or pewter adds a cool counterpoint.
The contrast feels intentional and chic, especially beside natural stone and wood. Try a brushed faucet with hand-rubbed hardware, then let a polished mirror frame bring a crisp highlight. Keep the mix to 2 or 3 finishes so the story stays clear. Round it out with a soft white shade or alabaster-style sconce for glow that flatters. The metals age gracefully, picking up tiny marks that tell a story. You'll get richness, dimension, and that curated over time feeling we all chase. It's one of those bathroom decor ideas that looks high-end without shouting. Balance cue. Repeat each finish at least twice so the eye connects the dots. This layered approach plays well with changing seasons and tastes. Swap art, switch towels, keep the bones. Your bath stays versatile, personal, and photo-ready, exactly the mix of ease and polish busy days demand. Bold veined stone turns the shower into art. Ready for drama? Statement stone makes the shower the star. One glance at those veins and you'll never miss a soaking tub. Think sweeping marble, onyx, or quartzite slabs with veins that flow from wall to wall. Book-matched panels read like a giant canvas, stormy grays, inky greens, or cocoa streaks across a milky base. Balance the movement with clean fixtures and simple glass so the stone can breathe. Add slim metal edges and a pale plaster ceiling to frame the view. For a finishing detail, continue the slab into the niche or bench so lines align and the look feels custom. The result is sculptural, glossy, and seriously memorable. The feeling is gallery-level impact with everyday function. Showers become 5-minute vacations. That's the beauty of bold, art-forward bathroom decor ideas. Care note: keep accessories minimal. Let the veining carry the scene and avoid visual noise. This centerpiece elevates everything around it. Towels, lighting, even the hum of the exhaust fan. You get instant luxury and long-term style, all in one daily ritual. We call that smart indulgence. Fluted wood vanities soften all the lines. Craving warmth without fuss? Fluted wood fronts bring texture and calm. The vertical grooves add shadow play and gentle rhythm. Choose honey, walnut, or smoked tones to introduce natural warmth against cool tile. The reeded detail keeps surfaces lively yet refined, especially with a stone top like travertine or creamy marble. Complement with dome-shaped knobs or slim pulls so the pattern stays the hero. A curved, frameless mirror echoes the softness, while a slender wall sconce adds calm glow. For a cohesive finish, run a slim toe kick light under the vanity. It floats the piece and gives the floor a soft halo. You gain coziness, character, and a modern classic feel that lasts. Shadows dance, drawers close with a hush, and mornings feel calmer. Material match. Pair fluted wood with honed stone and linen for a tactile, restful trio. This look anchors the whole room and plays well with many styles, Mediterranean, modern, or vintage leaning. It's adaptable, welcoming, and photo-ready, making everyday care feel like a small luxury. Solid bathroom decor ideas start with pieces that work this hard. Reeded and glass block screens blur privacy. Want privacy without losing light? Textured glass is your best friend. Reeded panels and glass blocks glow like lanterns and make small baths feel bright. Reeded glass creates gentle vertical lines that blur shapes and soften edges. It lets sunshine in while hiding the less cute stuff behind it. Glass blocks bring a sculptural grid and a cool retro nod, great for partial walls or shower screens. Pair these textures with pale grout, satin finish metal, and a creamy stone sill to warm the look. A light wood stool and soft waffle weave towels add touchable comfort. For one extra detail, run a slim LED at the top or base of the screen. The glass will catch the light and shimmer like water. The overall feel is luminous and calm, privacy without heaviness. Your morning routine gets a soft focus filter, which always helps. It's a win for bathroom decor ideas that value glow. Design cue. Repeat verticals, reeds, ribbed accessories, skinny tiles to create rhythm across the room. This choice supports a light-loving lifestyle. You get clear zones without closing things off. Surfaces stay easy to clean, sight lines stay open, and every day starts with a gentle wash of light. Quiet, practical, beautiful.
Artisanal glass sconces act as bathroom jewelry. Lighting can be simple or it can sparkle. Hand-blown glass sconces add personality, like earrings for your mirror. Slight bubbles, wavy edges, and soft shapes make artisanal glass feel alive. When lit, it glows like fruit jelly or sea foam, casting a flattering halo that makes skin look rested. Choose warm bulbs and finishes that complement your palette. Aged brass for warmth, polished nickel for crispness. Balance the glow with a matte vanity top and a quiet wall color so the light becomes the star. Echo the organic vibe with a rounded mirror and a small stone tray. For a final flourish, use dimmers to shift from bright task light to dreamy evening ambience. The payoff is mood on demand. Sparkle when you need it, softness when you don't. That flexibility elevates everyday bathroom decor ideas fast. Placement note: mount sconces at face height for even light and fewer shadows. Great lighting changes the pace of your day. You'll find mornings smoother, nights calmer, and photos kinder. The room feels dressed, even with minimal decor. It's a small luxury that delivers big lifestyle comfort. Statement showers steal focus over tubs. No tub? No problem. Make the shower the showpiece and enjoy every square inch. Start with an eye-catching enclosure, arched glass, steel-framed panes, or a frameless cube that feels like a greenhouse. Inside, go for bold tile or veined stone so the view is worth the glance. Choose streamlined fixtures that look sculptural but don't fight the background. Add a teak bench or ledge in a warm tone for balance, plus a linear drain that disappears. Echo the shapes with a curved mirror outside the enclosure so the geometry feels intentional. For the final note, a ceiling-mounted rain head creates a soft, even hush that turns quick showers into mini escapes. The feeling? Architectural, airy, and a little dramatic in the best way. It's one of those bathroom decor ideas that reshapes the whole room. Ambiance play. Clear glass equals gallery vibe. Lightly textured glass equals moody spa. Centering the shower simplifies life. Faster cleanup, less visual clutter, more breathing room. Your routines feel streamlined and special, and the space stays adaptable as your style evolves. That's everyday luxury. Settle smart tech keeps the calm luxe. We love tech that disappears into the background. The right tools make the room kinder, not louder. Think quiet features, thermostatic controls that keep water just right, dimmable scenes for morning and night, and gentle ventilation that whispers instead of whines. Pair the tech with warm materials, honed stone, oak, linen, to keep the mood human. A heated towel bar adds comfort without visual fuss. A soft glow nightlight under the vanity guides sleepy steps without waking the room. For the finishing touch, preset a wind-down scene that lowers light and warms color temperature so evenings land softly. The vibe is hotel calm at home, comfort you feel but barely see. These bathroom decor ideas make daily rituals smoother, safer, and sweeter. Good to know. Choose controls with simple icons. Less tapping, more relaxing. Smart choices support your rhythm. Mornings get efficient, nights feel restorative. The space works with you, not against you, so style and wellness can coexist. That's calm luxe, delivered quietly. Handmade tile, zellige, plaid, checkerboard, pops. Craving character? Handmade and playfully patterned tiles bring life to every corner. Zellige gives a glossy, imperfect shimmer, each tile slightly different like seashells. Plaid or checkerboard layouts add a tailored twist that still feels fun. Keep the palette tight, 2 or 3 hues that repeat. Balance texture with smooth counters and simple mirrors so the tile sings. Mix metals gently, one warm, one cool, to frame the color without clutter. For cohesion, carry the tile into a niche or short backsplash, echoing lines from the floor or shower wall. A soft cotton rug underfoot tempers the sparkle and adds comfort. Expect a lively, sunlit energy, like a smile every time you enter.
These bathroom decor ideas turn small moves into big personality. Pattern pointer. Use matte grout close to your tile tones for a softer read. Tile is the storyteller here. It hides minor splashes, photographs beautifully, and keeps the room feeling fresh across seasons. You'll love how easy it is to shift towels or art and still feel complete. Terracotta and earthy browns warm, cool spaces. Warm up the chill. Sun-baked terracotta and rich browns add instant coziness to hard, echoing surfaces. Think clay-toned walls, cinnamon towels, and walnut accents that ground shiny tile. Terracotta floor tile brings a soft, powdery feel underfoot, while brown veined stone ties it all together. Mix in creamy plaster, woven baskets, and burnished metal for layered warmth. A ribbed glass shade or alabaster-style sconce casts amber light that flatters and calms. Finish with a hint of greenery, eucalyptus or rosemary, to add scent and a touch of life. The palette feels like late afternoon sun, even on gray days. The result is inviting and unfussy, quietly luxurious. As bathroom decor ideas go, earthy tones make routines feel slower and kinder. Palette hint: pair warm browns with bone, mushroom, and soft black for balance. Living with warmth changes the mood of mornings and the ease of evenings. It's grounding, forgiving, and timeless. Swap accessories season to season, and the base still feels right. Comfort becomes the default setting. Fresh vibes, daily rituals. We've explored bathroom decor ideas that turn quick routines into small rituals and quiet style into everyday ease. The big takeaways: color beats bland, texture adds warmth, and a focused feature, stone, tile, or light, steals the show. Grab one idea you loved and try it this week. Mix a new hue, swap a sconce, or style a simple tray. Easy wins, big mood. What look are you leaning toward right now?